I found a private room in Seoul for only $21 a night. Is this the best budget accommodation in the city? Let's find out. Maison Seongsu Hotel is a 10-minute walk from exit 1 of Dapsimni Station. From the airport, take the metro and transfer to line 5 at Sindap Station. It's the cheapest option, but there are many stairs. If you have heavy luggage, it is better to take bus 6002 and get off at Sindap Station. From there, it is only a 5-minute walk. Even though it takes about 30 minutes to reach popular spots like a Dongdaemun or a Myeongdong, it is a very convenient location for this price. It offers great connectivity for exploring the city. Heads up, the name on the building is completely different from Maison Seongsu Hotel. Don't let it confuse you. This is the right place. Get ready for a workout because there is no elevator. Also, the reception desk is rarely staffed. Employees are only there during the day. It's a very independent system. The room is compact but spotless. I even checked the sheets and they were perfectly clean. When you open the window, don't expect a great view, but it does let in some natural light. The best parts are the details. You get free Netflix and, most importantly, outlets right by the bed. Even the bathroom is a 10 out of 10. For this price, it is everything a traveler needs. On the 3rd floor, you'll find a microwave and free bread, jam, and coffee for breakfast. Since there are no tourist attractions nearby, hop on a bus to Gyeongdong Market. It only takes 10 minutes. It is one of the most authentic traditional markets in Seoul. Don't miss the Starbucks inside. It was built in an old theater, and the design is incredible. It's the perfect way to end this budget trip. Subscribe to Check in Korea for more tips.